Hello guys and welcome to this month's Lambda of the month for the month of April. It's called 2DLookup or two-dimensional lookup as well. It's one of the general Lambdas, although it has also some implications for Excel Esport. And it has a few attributes, 5 in total: return array, a search array for the row argument, search array for the column argument, search criteria for the row argument, and search criteria for the column argument. And it basically does the following. If you have a so-called two-dimensional table where you have data here and you have a criteria both in a column and in a row, then you can basically cannot do a single XLOOKUP because XLOOKUP is searching in one row or column and then returning from another row or column, or the same row or column, also possible. But if you have this then in this two-dimensional structure, it gets a little bit more complicated. I did a video a while ago, I will link in the corner, about a few methods how to do two-dimensional lookups. But since I love Lambdas, I also made a few two-dimensional lookup Lambdas, and one is the standard one. It's called 2DLookup, and it's basically under the hood. It's basically an index and two X matches. So here you see index and then two X matches. And it's not the fastest. You could also argue, for example, that you always have the search criteria in the first row and the first column, and then only give this area here and then do the X match based on the taken or chosen columns and rows. But mine is at least a little bit more adaptable. So we want to have the protein for the turkey wrap, and therefore I use 2DLookup. This is my return array. Here, sorry guys. This is my return array, my search array for then to give the row that is for the row. So that was my thought. Then the column array, and then search criteria in where I want to return the row is the turkey wrap. Where we want to return the column number is the protein, and we get 29, which is directly here at the intersection of turkey wrap and protein. And here is set basically a simple index and two X matches, but it might be the case that you don't know how to do this, that this is faster than writing X match and index, or that you simply want to save some mind capacity, and therefore this Lambda can be quite handy. I also have a few other versions. For example, here this X match is always exact match, but you can also write several derivatives with other options, and also like the fast option when you always have this tables where the argument is in the first row or respective column. It's then faster because you only have to refer to the area and the two criteria. But anyways, useful Lambda. You should add it to your collection, not only for Excel Esports, but also for your daily life. And then I hope to see you on my channel on the other videos. Stay calm. Bye.